Cheers! Today I'm going to share with you guys how to use Submagic in 2025. Now they just dropped a brand new Submagic 2.0 and essentially just means that everything is way faster. So upload times, export times, and the preview window is going to be higher quality. So I'm really excited to just see what they did, how much better the workflow feels. So first thing you guys want to go ahead and do is go down in the description below and click the link. I am affiliated with these guys, but I genuinely believe that their tool is actually really dang good for an AI online video editor. So first things first, let's go ahead and just log in. So now that I'm logged in, I'm going to go ahead and just go to Magic Clips because I love using this feature. Magic Clips, let's go ahead and just copy and paste this link. Now, the link that I have is actually an Iman Gadzhi video. He recently just partnered with WAP, so I was gonna try out doing some clipping for Iman Gadzhi and WAP to see if I could get paid a handsome bag. Clip duration, we're just gonna go ahead less than 30 seconds, and then we're just gonna do get viral clips. Now, while we wait for that, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and finish up this Red Bull, because, bro, look how clean this looks on camera. Oh my gosh, yo, this is actually hard. Wait, I might have to make a Red Bull commercial, bro. This is tough. So now it's done, we're gonna go ahead and just hit this edit button right here. And then we're gonna go through and just pick what video we want to actually edit. I'm actually gonna just press play on this.
People have probably worked so much harder than I have, and that's the truth of it. And I'm also not afraid to admit that. I hate this whole thing online. I'm like, you just need to work harder. You just need to work harder. It's like,
okay, I'm gonna edit this one. I actually really like that. I think it has a really good hook. I'm gonna start off by going to trim because I do want to trim it a little bit. I'm gonna delete this. Gonna delete that, and then I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete that. I'm also gonna delete just the beginning part because I want it to be very captivating from the front. And that's kind of the biggest thing with short form content is you want kind of a controversial take or just whatever hook to be in front that actually is really interesting. And hearing Iman Gadzhi saying, I hate this whole thing of online, you need to work harder. People have that conception that he is probably supporting that when he's really not, which is really cool. Okay, fire. So that's actually really good. Now we're gonna go over here to caption, and I'm gonna pick the actual editing style. Now I actually created my own preset. This is more of a lifestyle type of preset, and this is more of a gamer type of preset, as you guys can see.
hate this whole thing online. I'm like,
and I feel like that doesn't really fit Iman's style, which is really cool. They do have an Iman Gadzhi style, and I believe it's actually free. And it's one of the cleaner options that they have on Submagic, and it's really good.
and I hate this whole thing online.
And I really like it. But let's go ahead and change the position. I want it to be kind of down here a little bit. Now, unfortunately, the original video already has captions baked into it, which kind of sucks. So this probably wasn't actually a good option to show, but I'm still going to show you guys that these captions actually work really, really well, and they look really good. So let's go ahead and play.
Admit that I hate this whole thing online. I'm like, you just need to work harder. You just need to work harder.
And those captions look so clean, and I really, really enjoy them. Let's go over to the captions. Actually don't really need edited. They actually got it perfect first run around. So that's actually really dope. Now I'm actually just gonna go ahead, add in some background music, because all you really need to do for these clipping type of videos is just background music, captions, and then that's pretty much really all you really need. So Iman Gadzhi, he's more of a classical music type of guy, just from his branding and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and just go in classical music. I'm gonna turn the volume down to maybe let's just do something really subtle, maybe 3 or 5%. Let's go ahead and play.
Online, I'm like, you just need to work harder. You just need to work harder. It's like, okay, well then why is it that a lot of the hardest working people never get compensated?
Okay, bet. That's actually really clean. So now we go over to the next section, which is adding in your B-roll if you actually want to add in B-roll. If you don't, then you can skip this phase. What I really like about Submagic is they allow you to import your own videos. And if you guys want to go ahead and watch me actually do this for my own talking head videos with my own B-roll, go ahead, click up the video top right corner. And I literally show you guys how I did a talking head video with my own B-rolls, and it looked actually really good. Now, if you're doing a clipping video for Iman or something, get Iman B-roll and just upload it into here. Or you could just go ahead and go to free videos, and you could just type in whatever it is you're looking for. Me personally, I don't really enjoy stock footage. It just doesn't look good, but that's just a personal preference. If you like stock footage, then go ahead, use it. They also have magic zooms. Me personally, I really wouldn't do the zooms unless it was very slow. So that's actually one thing I would say about the magic zooms is they're just a little bit too much. And I would just keep it as close as you can to the original footage just to keep it clean. Simpler is better, less is more. Let's go ahead and actually just export this out because I think we're actually done. So we're gonna go ahead and hit export just like so, and then it'll actually start to export for you. Okay, bet. So now it's actually done exporting. Let's go ahead and just full screen it and just see what it actually looks like.
But I hate this whole thing online of like, you just need to work harder. You just need to work harder. It's like, okay, well then why is it that a lot of the hardest working people never get compensated accordingly to how hard it is they work?
And like legit, after you do that, your video is done. So this is a really good app to go ahead and just test out different styles of content, do trial reels, do UGC sort of content as well. Like if you're a clipper, like this app would legit be the only app that I would use, because you could just post tons and tons of videos very, very easily and just outpost the competition, which is kind of the goal with clipping. But anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. If you guys want to watch how I actually edited my own talking head video with Submagic, click on the screen right now. Or if you want to learn how I edit my own reels inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, go ahead, check out the video in the top right corner. Remember, take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.